Hello, my name is Ria and I am an English teacher. I have been teaching English online for a year. I have experience teaching kids and adults. I have a bachelor's degree in industrial psychology and political science. I also have a TESOL certificate. My teaching style can be described as supportive, interactive, and transparent. I encourage all my students to have a voice in the classroom. I also encourage my students to ask questions if they have any or if they are confused. I encourage my students to participate in all classroom conversations. My hobbies are hiking, cycling, cooking, reading, and traveling. If you enjoy learning and having fun at the same time, I am your teacher. Thank you.